Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Band 7 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch, or rather smart band. First we need to wake up the screen on our smart band, and you can do it by tapping on the screen. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the settings icon. Once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. Then select the watch face option, watch face and time, the first one, and here tap on watch face. It will open the watch face menu. Here you can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping up and down on the screen. Find the watch face you would like to use on your smart band and then tap on it to select it and tap on the check mark to confirm and apply it, like this. You can also open the watch face menu by simply pressing and holding on the home screen. So once you're on the home screen, the current watch face, you can press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu. And you can scroll through the list, find the watch face you like, tap on it, tap on the check mark to confirm. You can also customize some of the watch faces. So if you open the watch face menu, you will see the edit icon under them. You can tap on the edit icon, and here we can change the widgets. So we can change the widgets by swiping up and down, then tapping on the second one and changing it by swiping up and down. And once you're done, you can swipe right on the screen, then tap on the check mark to apply the changes. Another way of changing the watch face is to do it through the phone application. So I'm gonna bring my phone right here, move the band to the side, bring the phone, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen, like that. Okay, wake up the screen on the phone, unlock it, and then open the Zap application on the phone that is paired. Of course, it has to be paired with our smart band. Then tap on the profile, select the AMAZFIT Band 7, and here we have the option called Watch Faces. Tap on it, then tap on Mine, and here you have the list of watch faces installed on your smart band. And you can tap on one to select it, and it should be automatically applied on your smart band. And once you're done, you can close the app. And that's how you change the watch face on this smart band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.